Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 1st of April, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 31st of March, 2025, our system has ranked Google as a hold accumulate, giving it a score of negative 0.53. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations with a gain of 1.57%. This translates to an average return of 0.79% per day since it was listed as hold accumulate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $152.86 is breached, it will initially signal a stronger rate of decline. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of nearly 20% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from approximately negative 22% to negative 9%. When considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of nearly 8%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from around 6% to nearly 44% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $166.80 and $225.48. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline: Google stock price ended at $157.07 on Tuesday, after gaining 1.57%. The Google stock price gained 1.57% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 1st of April, 2025, rising from $154.64 to $157.07. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.92%, with a day low at $153.62 and a day high of $158.10. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still down by 2.24% for this period. Volume fell on the last day by 23 million shares, with a total of 31 million shares bought and sold for approximately $4.81 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume on higher prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $207.05, and the lowest price was $147.22. Currently, the price is 24.14%, or $49.98, below the 52-week high, and 86.11%, or $973.58, below the all-time high on January 15, 2018, when the price reached $1,130.65. Alphabet, the parent company of Google, is gaining positive attention as analysts underscore its strong cash flow and under-leveraged balance sheet. Westpark Capital has begun coverage on Alphabet with a buy rating and a price target of $210. This optimistic outlook is supported by Alphabet's diverse, high-margin businesses, which are experiencing robust growth, especially in its YouTube, cloud, and artificial intelligence sectors. The stock is currently seen as undervalued, with a forward price-to-earnings ratio of 17.3, indicating significant intrinsic upside ahead. In a strategic effort to enhance its advertising revenue, Google has partnered with Roblox, extending its advertising reach to Generation Z users. This collaboration is expected to not only improve Google's advertising capabilities, but also stimulate growth in the expanding realm of digital advertising. Moreover, Amid recent volatility in the tech sector, particularly among the companies often referred to as the Magnificent Seven, some analysts perceive Alphabet as a sleeping giant ready to awaken for growth. The company's engagement in cutting-edge fields, such as autonomous vehicles and quantum computing, could further boost its long-term growth trajectory. Short-term impacts may be favorable, with the recent positive sentiment and partnerships propelling stock price momentum. In the long run, as Alphabet continues to innovate and generate revenue across its various services, the stock holds strong potential for remarkable returns, positioning it advantageously against competitors in the market. Analyst ratings. On Friday, January 10, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Google a grade of overweight along with a hold action. On Tuesday, January 7, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Google a grade of neutral with a hold action. On Friday, January 3, 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research assigned Google a grade of outperform with a hold action. On Thursday, January 2, 2025, it was reported that JMP Securities assigned Google a grade of market perform along with a downgrade action. On Thursday, November 21, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned Google a grade of neutral with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Google stock a general buy rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have issued a strong buy rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Google. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 28th of March, 2025, and so far it has risen 1.78%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume has decreased during the last trading day, despite increasing prices, creating a divergence between volume and price that may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. The Google stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook. Furthermore, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. On upward corrections, resistance is expected around the levels of $161.65 and $170.55. A breakout above any of these levels will trigger buy signals. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. The moving average convergence divergence has indicated a buy signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 3 days ago. The Bollinger Bands identified a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 40 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 36 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average generated a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 20 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Google finds support from accumulated volume at $154.64. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upwards reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the overall risk is categorized as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $4.48 between its high and low, equating to a change of 2.92%. In the past week, the stock experienced a daily average volatility of 3.29%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate that expectations for the company's future are subdued or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $2.02. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Personal and life both matter. What industries have you been paying attention to? Bull run you were following. What industries do you enjoy being attended to? Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $2.02. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Next. The next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $2.02. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $170.28. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a significant level to contemplate for swing trading. On the downside, Google faces its first support level at $154.64. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Google from multiple analyst sources is buy. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 28th of March, 2025, Walker John Kent conducted an insider purchase of 17,782 shares of Class C capital stock. On the same day, Walker John Kent also conducted an insider sale of 17,782 shares of Class C capital stock. On the 28th of March, 2025, Francis Arnold conducted an insider sale of 111 shares of Class C capital stock. On the 25th of March, 2025, Anat Ashkenazi conducted an insider sale of 6,686 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the same day, Anat Ashkenazi also conducted an insider sale of 6,761 shares of Class C Google stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 14.818. Overall, insiders purchased 1,472,730 shares and sold 1,086,605 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $149.06, reflecting a decline of 5.1%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 2 days ago. Is Google stock a good buy? Currently, Google exhibits several negative signals, positioning it as a potential sell candidate. However, given the possibility of a turnaround, it may be wise to consider it a hold candidate, suggesting accumulation is advisable while we await further developments. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 2nd of April, we anticipate Google will open lower by 81 cents, beginning trading at $156.26. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from everyone here at StockInvest.